Sac passe. Hi, I'm Mayor Oliver Gilbert, and we've gone virtual. Now, while we're staying at home, I wanted to make sure that the activities that you enjoy could be brought to you online. Join me for Haitian Creole lessons with Mr. Innocent. Let's learn together.
Okay. Good evening. Bonsoir. Comment est jeudi? In today's lesson, you will learn a brief history of the Haitian cuisine. You will learn to name some fast food. You will learn some phrases about food in Haitian Creole. You will learn to name most common Haitian foods. And you will also learn how to order food in a restaurant. A brief history of Haitian cuisine. Haitian cuisine is a mixture of various cooking styles influenced by the Taino Indians, the Spaniards, the French, Portuguese, and African cuisine. Several countries have taken control of Haiti and introduced their food, eating habits, and cooking techniques, which significantly influence Haitian cuisine. For example, banana and plantains were introduced by the Portuguese or the Spaniard in the 16th century. That's why the Haitian prepare like fried and flattened plantain just like the Cuban. So it's from the Spanish influence on the Haitian culture. The Tainos, Indian, grew corn, squash, beans, peppers, sweet potatoes, yams, and yuca. Modern Haitians still cook some of these foods the same way the Indians used to cook them. So on the next slide, the slaves from Africa introduced okra, ackee, malanga, pigeon peas, and various spices to the Haitian diet. And the French took control of Haiti from Spain at the beginning of the 18th century and contributed a great deal to Haitian cuisine, like French cheese, desserts, and bread. For example, you see a picture of the seafood legume, and that's delicious with crab meat, and you see the akra that is made of malanga from Africa, from African cuisine. Now, on this slide, now you're going to learn some phrases about food. How do you say that in Creole? Quelques fries de manger. Quelques fries de manger. I'm hungry. Moins grand goût. Moins grand goût. Let's go eat. On al manger. On al manger. What would you like to eat? Qui sa ou vle manger? Qui sa ou vle manger? I don't want fast food. Mwen pa vle tian pani. Tian pani. I prefer to have fried pork. Mwen prefere griot. Mwen prefere griot. That is tasty. Li gen bon goût. Li gen bon goût. May I have one more serving? Ban mwen yon lot plat, s'il vous plaît. Ban mwen yon lot plat, s'il vous plaît. Plat is like a plate, another plate. One more serving. I am full. Ventre moins plein. Ventre moins plein. I am thirsty. Moins soif. Soif. Moins soif. Now, on the next slide, you're going to learn to name some food. Fast food. Champagny. You've seen that on the previous slide. Champagny. Snack. Free do doy. Free do doy. To eat snack, manger free do doy. Manger free do doy. Breakfast, manger matin. Manger matin. You may also hear, because of the French influence, déjeuner, manger déjeuner. but c'est manger matin. Lunch, manger midi. Manger midi. Dinner, souper. Souper or manger à souhait. Most of the time you're going to hear souper. On the next slide, did you eat breakfast? Ou te mangé matin? It's almost like in English. You eat, like we would say like in English, you eat that, but it's asking a question, like the same way in Haitian. Ou te mangé matin? But the proper way, most of the time you're going to hear, did you eat breakfast? Est-ce que te mangé matin? Est-ce que te mangé matin? Yes, I ate this morning. Oui, moi te mangé matin. Remember, the te in front of the verb is the past. Moi te mangé matin. I have not had lunch yet. Moi poko manger midi. Moi poko manger midi. It's almost lunchtime. Do not eat snack. Li presque le manger midi. Pas manger fruit d'odoy. Li presque le manger midi. Pas manger fruit d'odoy. I'm going to eat dinner at home. Mwen pral manger souper la kay mwen. Mwen pral manger souper la kay mwen. Or you can say mwen pral manger à souhait la kay mwen. On the next slide, you're going to learn to name some fast food. Di non champagne. Hamburger. Some of them you're going to see the similarities with the English because it's just come from the English language. Hamburger, 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 hamburger. You don't hear the N sound, hamburger. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. Hot dog. Remember in Creole, you don't have the H sound. You don't have the H sound. Like in a house, you hear hot dog, hot dog. Fish sandwich, sandwich poisson, sandwich poisson. Fried chicken, poule frit, poule frit. Nachos, nachos, just like in English. Tacos, it just spelled differently, but it sounds the same thing without the S. Taco, taco, taco. Burrito, burrito. The U sound, burrito. Slice of pizza. Tranche, tranche is slice, pizza. Remember the T, pizza. Tranche, pizza. Okay, let's go on the next slide. On the next slide, bowl of chili, ball chili, ball chili. Salad, same thing, salad, salad. Milkshake, lait à crème, lait à crème, crème. Lids, the lids for the cup, couverti, couverti. Paper cup, godet papier, godet papier. Papier mean paper, godet papier. Straws, sha, remember the CH has the sound like in shoes. Chalimo, chalimo. Napkins, serviette papier. Serviette is like the towel also that you use after you take a shower. Serviette. Serviette papier. Plastic utensils. In Creole, there's no word utensils. It describes it. At some point in time, I mentioned it too. Some of the words do not exist, but it's kind of, you describe it. Fourchette à couteau plastique. Fourchette mean fork, couteau mean knife, fourchette à couteau plastique. Ketchup. Ketchup, sauce tomate. Sauce tomate. Now, on the next slide, you're going to see some of the words too. Mayonnaise, same. Mayonnaise, the air sound, mayonnaise. Relish, relish. relish. Salad dressing, sauce, salad. Sauce, salad. Do not. The O sound, ot, do not. Then you have muffin, pumpkin. You see the N, you don't hear the N sound, but you hear the M sound, pumpkin. The N doesn't sound, it's silent in there. Bagel, bagel. Biscuit, biscuit, B and sweet, SWIT, sweet, biscuit. Croissant. Pancakes, pancake. Bacon, la. On the other side, in the other chart, toast, pain grillé. Pain is bread, grillé, that's grilled bread. Pain grillé. Ham and cheese sandwich. Sandwich jambon ak fromage. The BLT that you know, it's BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich. There's BLT, with the letters of the alphabet, BLT. Sandwich, bacon, lettuce, ak tomate. White bread, pain. Remember pain grillé, pain blanc, the white bread. The wheat bread is pain bleu. You see the asterisk? Bleu is also the color blue, but it's also the same for wheat, pain bleu. Submarine rolls, pain long, meaning that it describes it like it's a long bread. Bun is pain lait. Lait is the milk that you drink, but they call it pain lait. On the next slide, you're going to practice. May I help you? Est-ce que moi ka aide ou? Yes, I would like a hamburger with an order of fries or chicken fries. Oui, moi ta reme yon hamburger ak yon commande de poule frit. Ak yon commande de poule frit tempri. Tempri mean please. Okay? We can say another one. Oui, moi ta reme yon cheeseburger ak yon commande pomme de terre frit. French fries, pomme de terre frit. Oui, moi ta reme yon commande sandwich poisson, fish sandwich. Ak yon commande de salade. Now, do you need anything else? Est-ce que ou besoin aucun l'autre bagay? Yes, I would like a soda. Oui, moi ta reme yon soda. As you can see, soda is the same in English as in Creole. Moi ta reme yon soda. Now, on the next slide, excuse me, there are no lids, paper cup, napkins, straw, plastic utensils. Excusez-moi, pas gen aucun couverture. Excusez-moi, pas gen aucun godet papier. Excusez-moi, pas gen aucun serviette papier. There are no napkins. Excusez-moi, there are pas gen aucun chalumeau. There are no straws. Excusez-moi, pas gen aucun fourchette à couteau. There are no utensils. Excusez-moi, pas gen aucun mayonnaise. Excuse me, there are no mayonnaise. Okay? I will get some from the supply room. Thanks for telling me. Mwen pral pran kek nan salle réserve. Merci parce que ou di mwen sa. Mwen pral pran kek nan salle réserve. Merci parce que ou di mwen sa. Now, on the next slide, you're going to see it's the same format, but you're going to practice with other type of food. May I help you? Est-ce que mwen ka aide ou? Yes, I would like a muffin with an order of eggs. Okay? Est-ce que mwen ka aide? Oui, mwen ta reme yon pomket ak yon commande de œufs tempri. Oui, mwen ta reme yon commande bagel ak yon mwen ta reme yon bagel ak yon commande pancake. Oui, mwen ta reme yon commande pâtisserie ak yon commande pomme de terre fruit. Yes, I would like a pastry with an order of sausages. Okay, how much do I owe you? Combien cob mwen dwe ou? Combien cob mwen dwe ou? It costs $10. Li coûte $10. Li coûte $10. Now let's go on the next slide. Do you need anything else to drink? Est-ce que vous besoin aucun l'autre bagay pour boire? Yes, I would like a small or a medium, a large or extra large coffee. Oui, mwen ta reme yon café petit, yon café moyen, yon gros café ou yon pi gros café. Oui, mwen ta reme yon thé petit ou yon thé moyen ou yon thé gros ou sinon yon thé qui pi gros. Oui, mwen ta reme I would love a lemonade. Oui, mwen ta reme yon limonade petit. Oui, mwen ta reme yon limonade moyenne. Oui, mwen ta reme yon limonade qui pi gros. The extra large. Okay? Now, let's go on the next slide. I would like a tuna on a white bread. Mwen ta reme yon poisson tuna sous yon pain blanc. Sous yon pain blanc. I would like an egg salad on a whole wheat bread. Mwen ta reme yon saladize sous yon pain blé. Sous yon pain blé. Mwen ta reme, I would like a chicken salad. Mwen ta reme yon salade poule sous yon pain blanc. Sous yon pain blanc. What do you want on it? Ki sa ou vle sou li? Ki sa ou vle sou li? Mwen vle letu, I want lettuce. Mwen vle tomato, I want tomato. Mwen vle tomate. Or I want mayonnaise. I want mayonnaise. Mwen vle mayonnaise. Okay, now at the bottom, you're going to see some other questions for your practice that you can practice on your own. Do you like these foods? Where do you get them? How often do you have them? Est-ce que ou reme manger sa yo? Et ki kote ou jwenn yo? Combien fois ou genyen yo? That's for extra practice, for you to practice with the language. Now let's go on the next slide. On the next slide, we live in Miami. And Miami has a lot of Haitian restaurants. By no means I am not making any advertisement. I'm not related to any of them, but I'm just showing you some places where you can taste some food. For example, Ivan Cookhouse it's an upscale restaurant in North Miami. You have the Casa Champet restaurant in Pembroke Pines. You have Tap Tap restaurant, and I have a link for you to YouTube for Tap Tap also. It's an upscale restaurant. And on the next slide, if you like vegetarian, you have the KC Cooking in North Miami, and you have Chef Creole Seafood Miami, Florida. And there's also a link to a YouTube if you want to watch that YouTube video. On the next slide, you're going to learn some vocabulary associated. And if you have the dictionary that I introduced at the beginning of the series, you will know it's on page 64 of the dictionary. Upscale fine restaurant, restaurant chic. Restaurant chic. Regular restaurant, restaurant normal. Normal. Restaurant normal. Candlelight dinner. Dîner aux chandelles. Aux chandelles. Aux chandelles. Bill check when you finish eating. Note, fait total là. Fais total là pour moi. Meaning that give me the bill or the check. Order. Order is command. Command. An sound, the A-N-N, an, command. To order, commander, 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 faire command. Command. On the next slide, you have menu, menu, menu. Tips, pourboire, pourboire, pourboire. And the waiter that serve you in a restaurant, c'est server, the server. Then you have appetizers, hors d'oeuvre, or sound, hors d'oeuvre. The main course, plat principal, principal, principal. Dessert, 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 dessert. Alcoholic beverage, boisson. Boisson. Now, vegetarian. If you are vegetarian, the word is vegetarian. But commonly in Haiti, it's not a word that is commonly, that's the technical word. But most people will tell you, if they want to say that I'm a vegetarian, they're going to say, moi pas manger viande. Pas manger viande. Moi pas manger viande. That means I'm a vegetarian. Okay? On the next slide, you're going to see name of popular Haitian food. Manger haïtien qui populaire. Popular, populaire. Fried pork, griot. Griot. You'll hear griot a lot. Griot is the chunk of pork that is boiled and fried. Okay? It's spicy and it's good. Stew, bouillon. Stew, bouillon. Fried plantain. Fried plantain, that's the one that I told you that came from the Spaniard, from the 16th century. That's the banan peze. Banan peze. That's the one the Cuban called the tostones. Banan peze. Spicy coleslaw. Coleslaw. It's pickles. That's shredded vegetable with pepper, hot pepper. Rice and beans, di riz à pois. Di riz à pois. Pumpkin soup, soup joumou. There's a big history about soup joumou. It's about when the Haitian became independent, they drank soup joumou on the New Year. The first day of the year is their Independence Day. Soup joumou. Apple pie for dessert. Tarte aux pommes. Tarte aux pommes pour dessert. Tarte aux pommes pour dessert. On the next slide, you're going to have some vocabulary. The restaurant, dining room, côté pour manger, côté pour manger. Sit the customer, mettez client yo chita, mettez client chita. Pour the water, vide de l'eau, vide de l'eau. Take the order, prends commande. Remember command, order food, command, prends commande. Serve the meal. Servi manger. Even at home, if you're serving the meal, servi manger. Servi manger. Pay the check. Payer check là. Payer check là. Payer check là. Leave a tip. Quitter pourboire. Tip is a pourboire. Quitter, leave a tip, quitter pourboire. Chef, cuisinier. Cuisinier. On the other side of the chart, you're going to say hostess, 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 hostess. The waiter, servant, servant, servant. Vent is right here, your tummy. Vent, servant. Customer, the patron, client, client, client. Booth in a restaurant, compartiment. I want to sit in the booth. Mwen vle chita nan compartiment. Mwen vle chita nan compartiment. Table. Tab. I prefer to sit at the table. Mwen prefere chita sou tab. Mwen prefere chita sou tab. Okay? High chair. Chaise haut pour bébé. Chaise haut pour bébé. Then you have booster seat. Chaise pour hausser bébé. Chaise pour hausser bébé. Bread basket. Bring me bread basket. Pain, pain. Pain is bread. Basket. Basket, c'est pain. 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 Et kitchen. I have a mistake here. Kitchen, cuisine. Cuisine. Tray, plateau. 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 On the next slide, on the menu, shrimp cocktail. Cocktail, cribiche. Shrimp is cribiche. Chicken wings, zelle poule. Zelle poule. Toast salad or garden salad, salad vert. Remember the color green that we say vert, but it's pronounced vert. Salad vert. Green salad. Green salad, salad grec. Caesar salad, salade César. Salade César. Meatloaf, viande moulin, viande moulin, viande moulin. Roast beef, viande bœuf, viande bœuf. Baked chicken, poule nan fou. Fou is the stove. It's the kind of describe a baked chicken, poule nan fou. I mean, that's the chicken that you prepare in the oven. Okay? Broiled fish, poisson bouilli. Poisson bouilli. Spaghetti and meatball, vermicelle ak boulette. Vermicelle ak boulette. On the next one, we're going to go over a couple of them. Baked potato, pomme de terre nan fou. The oven again. Pomme de terre nan fou. Mashed potato, purée, pomme de terre. Pomme de terre is potato. Pomme de terre. Pomme de terre. Noodles, vermicelle. Vermicelle. Mixed vegetable. Légumes mélangés. Some desserts, cake nan dessert yo. Chocolate cake, gâteau, chocolat. Cake is gâteau. Chocolat is the color. Chocolat. Chocolat, chocolate. Ice cream, crème. Or oftentimes you're going to see crème. Or crème à la glace. Pudding, pudding. Pudding, pudding. Ice cream sundae, sundae, sundae. It's from the English. Sun, on, Sunday. Sunday. Apple pie, tarte pomme. Tarte pomme. Wine, red or red, is divin. Divin. Divin blanc, divin rouge. Now, some sentences, cake fries. They order food after looking at the menu. Yo commande manger après yo gade menu. Yo commande manger après yo gade menu. They eat appetizers before the main course. Yo mange hors d'œuvre avant yo mange plat principal là. Yo mange hors d'œuvre avant yo mange plat principal là. They drink coffee or tea after dessert. Yo boit café ou soit thé le yo fin manger dessert. Yo boit café ou soit thé le yo fin manger dessert. They give the tip after they pay. Yo bay pourboire le fin manger. Le fin payer. Le fin payer. Now let's go to the next one. At the restaurant, good morning. A table for 4, please. Bonjour. Yon table pour 4 temps pris. Bonjour. Yon table pour 4 temps pris. Would you like a bouffe? Est-ce que vous voulez un compartiment? Est-ce que vous voulez un compartiment? Yes, please. Oui, merci. Oui, merci. Hello, my name is Martha. I will be your waitress this evening. Alors, non, moi c'est Martha. Moi pral servi ou assoya. Non, moi c'est Martha. Moi pral servi ou assoya. May I take your order? Est-ce que moi ka pran commande lan? Remember lan? Dans your order. Your order, that's the possessive noun. May I take your order? Est-ce que moi ka pran commande lan? Yes, please. For the appetizer, I would like one of them, chocolate, cake, vanilla ice cream. Oui, merci. Moi vle gâteau chocolat, pour collation. Oui, moi vle crème vanilla pour consolation. Okay? Now, let's go to the next one. What kind of salad would you like? Ki jan de salade ou vle? Ki jan de salade ou vle? I will have mwen vle toast salad, salade vert. Mwen vle salade Caesar. Mwen vle salade zepina, that's spinach salad. What do you want for the main course? Ki sa ou vle pou manje principal la? Ki sa ou vle pou manje principal la? I would like meatloaf, roast beef, baked chicken, fried fish, or veal cutlet. Mwen ta reme viande moulin, tan pri. Mwen ta reme viande bœuf, tan pri. Mwen ta reme poule nan fou, tan pri. Mwen ta reme côtelette veau, tan pri. Let's go to the next one. What side dish would you like with that? Ki lot plat ou ta reme ak sa? Ki lot plat ou ta reme ak sa? I think I will have mwen pral pran big potato, mashed potato, french fries, pomme de terre nan fou. Mwen pral pran pire pomme de terre. Mwen pral pran pomme de terre fried french fries. Mwen pral pran du riz. I think I'm going to take the rice. Mwen pral pran vermicelle. I think I'm going to take noodles. Would you care for some dessert? Est-ce que vous voulez dessert? Yes, I will have. Oui, mwen pral pran gâteau chocolat. Mwen pral pran tarte pomme. Mwen pral pran crème à la glace. Mwen pral pran jello. Mwen pral pran pudding. Oui, mwen pral pran. And you select one of them. Now, on the next one, excuse me, I dropped my knife. Can I have another one? Excusez-moi, couteau mwen tombe à terre. Est-ce que mwen ka gen un lot? Excusez-moi, couteau mwen tombe à terre. Est-ce que mwen ka gen un lot? That is okay. I will get you another one from the kitchen. Li okay, mwen pral pran yon lot pou nan cuisine nan. Li okay, mwen pral pran yon lot pou nan cuisine nan. Can I have more water and bread, please? Est-ce que mwen ka gen plus l'eau ak pain, s'il vous plaît? Est-ce que mwen ka gen plus l'eau ak pain, s'il vous plaît? Yes, I will bring some right away. Oui, mwen pral pote pou tout de suite. Tout de suite, right away. Tout suite. Suite. Mwen pral pote pou tout de suite. Please do not forget some butter too. Tan pri, pa bliye pote beurre too. I will not. Mwen pa bliye. Mwen pa bliye. Mwen pa bliye. That is all for today.
I hope you enjoyed today's session. Join us every Tuesday and Thursday on Facebook Live for Haitian Creole with Mr. Innocent. If you want to view the session again, visit cmgengage.com/virtual. I'll see you next week.